We had a fairly good day. It was warm in the morning, minus 23, a little bit windy. The wind was from the southeast, which was not a real good sign when we came out of the tent. The bad weather storms often come from the southeast, although earlier morning there was patches of blue, which a little bit of a sign that it may not last. But whited out, started snowing, and it was very difficult with lead dogs. We ended up with skis because we couldn't see the snowdrifts. Temperature dropped off quite a bit. I think it'll probably be about 40 below tonight. Fortunately, it's calm outside. This is good for us and also good for the dogs. Dogs sleep a little bit better in the calmer weather, although when it is snowing, they do get covered up and they sleep good under the snow. But their best scenario is always calm, and we dig holes for them in the snow, so they're totally buried out there. We're very happy.
They had a couple of rest days where it wasn't rest days, it was actually storm days. For us people, it doesn't matter so much because we're in a tent. But for them, it's still work to lay out there in the snow and the wind.
Dogs are snowed under the snow out there, so they're not affected by the wind here, so they're sleeping pretty good. A good day off for them, and we fed them about 4 o'clock this afternoon and built up some snow blocks around their little caves that they're sleeping in, so they're doing just fine. It's Will Steger setting, over and out.